Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will explain how to get rid of all background processes in Windows 10 and show you simple ways to stop unnecessary apps from running and slowing down your system. Method 1. Step 1 is to right-click on the taskbar, which is the horizontal bar at the bottom of your screen where open apps and system icons are shown, and this gives you quick access to important system tools. Step 2 is to click on Task Manager, a built-in Windows utility that lets you view and control running apps, background processes, and system performance. Step 3 is to make sure the Processes tab is selected, because this section displays all active apps and background services currently using your CPU, memory, and disk. Step 4 is to find the app or background process you want to stop, which is useful when a program is unresponsive or using too many system resources. Step 5 is to right-click on the selected process, allowing you to manage or close that specific program safely. Step 6 is to click on End Task, which immediately stops the selected process and helps free up system resources. Method 2. Step 1 is to right-click on the taskbar again to quickly open system options without going through multiple menus. Step 2 is to click on Task Manager to access startup and background application controls. Step 3 is to click on Startup Apps from the left side, where Windows lists all programs that automatically run when your computer starts. Step 4 is to select the program you do not want to run in the background at startup, which can improve boot time and overall performance. Step 5 is to click on Disable, preventing the selected app from starting automatically while still keeping it installed on your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting guides.